Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check this out, 1971 Monte Carlo with a 402 in it. Numbers matching big block car. This is a 36,000 mile original car coming with a build sheet, Protecto-Plate, factory air conditioning, triple black, detailed to the max, solid and clean underneath. Just unbelievable the way somebody kept this thing. This car came out of North Carolina its whole life. It's got an automatic TH400 transmission. This thing runs out super strong. I just took it for a ride and she runs like the Black Betty she is. Monte Carlo. We don't see many of these, especially a 36,000 mile one. Real clean underneath. Everything's working the way it should. All your lights, all your gauges, all your turn signals. What a great riding car. Original sticker on the back. North Carolina. White motors. Straight. Original panels. Look at this thing. It's a diamond. Just a beautiful riding, solid, excellent condition car. All right, let's get up close and personal on this baby. Let's see what you're getting home. All your chrome's in good shape. Your grille and badging is great. Chrome around the bezels of your lights are real good. Look at how straight those lines are. No fights. Wipers are intact and working. Your front glass is in good shape. Driver's glass, side and rear passenger in good shape. 15-inch wheels came from the factory. Fresh tires. No issues on the paint. No issues on the chrome underneath. Look at this thing line up. I haven't found any chips or anything to tell you about. Triple black vinyl top, excellent condition. No signs of wear anywhere. Your rear glass and chrome are great. Look at how straight this is. Rear bumper's in good shape all the way through. The chrome is great. Trunk lines up exactly the way it should. No issues on this quarter panel. Let me just see. Oh, it's just a little dirt. Lines up. Glass is good. Sport mirror chrome is good. Passenger side. This thing just is straight as they get them. No disappointments here. Let's check out the inside. Like I said, it has a build sheet and a Protecto-Plate. Comes with it. Back seat, all your seat belts intact. Rear deck is good. Couple speakers back there. Your headliner's great. Your sun visors are intact. Door panels, no stories. Some of the things that I see because of the age and what it is and the originality is the weather stripping starting to crack a little bit. Still okay. I drove it with the windows up, no noise. Front seat's in great shape. All your gauges work the way they're supposed to. 36,953 miles. Air conditioning works like it should. Got to get out those cassettes. You got a few in here. Let me open this up and show you. This is your build sheet. Protecto-Plate is in here as well. Owner's manual. I think I got it. Hold on. Let's just see ya. Good stuff. Good stuff to have. Let's check out the trunk. I see one little touch-up that's been done here on the driver's recorder. It's been touched up. Weather stripping in the trunk could be replaced. Not a big deal. It's a 36,000 mile car. Spare tire, jack, and it's here. Nice stuff. Nice stuff. Clean underneath. I'll get over here a little bit. I'll do a little short video when I get back to the shop. Put it in there for y'all so you can see. All right, let's fire Black Beauty up. Let me fix this. Okay. Sorry about that. That was me not giving it enough gas. Great sound. Got a small little cam in there, I hear. Nothing crazy. Look at this. Air conditioning. Power brakes. Power steering. All your hoses are great. All your belts are great. Clean, clean, clean inside. Numbers matching 402. It drove amazing. Stopped the way it should. Give it a little bit more gas. If you're looking to want to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 739, go directly to my website, mgmclassiccars.com. Again, that's mgmclassiccars.com. Go to the car and hit apply now. Generally 10% down, minimum up to 84 months with good rates. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Generally a 24-hour approval, sometimes no money down, 84 months, great rates as well. If you need quotes on shipping, open shipping or enclosed shipping, you can text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We've got over 120 cars ready for immediate delivery here in Addison, Illinois. We are located at 150 South Church Street. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. Please call me, I will get you in. Call me if you have any questions on any of our cars, especially on this Monte Carlo. And you can reach me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook. You'll be seeing more of me. Thanks, everybody. Earl here.